Welcome, everyone. Today, let's dive into a powerful story that resonates with all of us. The story of life, where the choices we make can either lead us to success or hold us back. It all boils down to one simple yet profound concept: focus or lose. In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. It's easy to get sidetracked by the noise around us, but true growth comes from honing in on what truly matters. When we practice mindfulness, we become aware of our thoughts and actions, allowing us to direct our energy toward our goals. This awareness is the first step in cultivating focus. Consistency is key. Think of it like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. By committing to small daily practices, we build the discipline needed to stay on track. Whether it's dedicating time to a passion project, nurturing relationships, or simply taking care of ourselves, every little effort counts. Remember, progress isn't always about giant leaps. Sometimes it's the steady, small steps that lead to monumental change. Discipline is the bridge between our goals and our achievements. It's about showing up even when motivation wanes. Life will throw challenges our way, but it's our ability to remain focused that will determine our path. Embrace the journey and don't shy away from the hard work it requires. So, let's choose to focus. Let's commit to our dreams with unwavering determination. Life is a beautiful tapestry woven from our choices, and by practicing mindfulness, consistency, and discipline, we can create a masterpiece. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to follow for more uplifting content. Together, let's keep striving for our best selves. If you feel this video is great, subscribe for more and like and comment. Thank you very much. Big proud.